Welcome back. I didn't find the chasers I was after, but I've got this an old chisel handle. It worked quite well, just that and a rubber mallet. Just patiently tap away. But the wood makes a better job than steel. If you use steel, it just cuts into the mild steel. It just doesn't cope at all. So let's try and do a little bit more on this one. We can see the basic shapes there, and it's nowhere near as deep. This one's very deep. It's up to 10 millimeters. It goes from 10 millimeters to about 5 millimeters. It starts off, and this one's 5 millimeters all the way through. So I'm chasing the material this way. If I chase it that way, the main panel will buckle. So God, it's noisy. There we go. That's okay. We're not doing bad, actually. I can use the mallet as well. That's okay, it's not bad. And I'll be able to tidy this up with a hand weight, or a small hammer on this heavy weight here. We just need to get the basic shape in first. These need to be quite sharp. There we go. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm sure this is going to work, actually. And what I do need to do, I've got to see, we've got these 3 pieces here, but the rest of the panel bends upwards, and it comes upwards on an angle. So I need to get this whole sort of swage, which is, it's going to be quite difficult to make the template, but clearly I can do it. But wow, it's going to take a lot of time. Yeah, a lot of time. Oh, noise is horrible. Not bad. Here we go. But you get the idea, and you can see quite how long this takes. Let's just remind ourselves of where this panel is going to be going. Actually, I'll get the screwdriver. Actually, no, I won't. I'll leave it on the wood. I didn't pick up the camera the best I can. Ooh, excuse the bizarre shaky focus. The camera's on a tripod. So, just this way around it will go. Yeah, come here. Yes, these I'm trying to make here. That's the, this is the one that starts off shallow. Where's my finger? I'm covering it over. I've got the camera on a tripod and I'm folding the tripod up. It's ridiculous. Here we go. Let's just, that's better. Just move it slightly. I've got the whole thing tucked on my arm. This one's difficult. It starts off shallow and it gets deeper. That's this one here. Where's my finger? Yeah, starts off shallow and it gets deeper. These are easy. They start off at 5 millimeters and they remain at 5 millimeters. But you can see we're starting, and this is going to work. But the rest of this panel, I've got to form this shape sort of somewhere around here. There'll be a curve that will be sort of clicked up and then it'll be flat. Oh, you know, there's a lot of work involved. There really is a lot of work involved. But, you know, you can buy a whole new boot panel, but it doesn't need a whole new boot panel. It only needs a partial one. And I want to keep as much original as possible. So I'll carry on clattering about. I'll get those sort of tapped out and as smooth as I can. Then I'll sort of work out how to sort of make the press tool. I'll turn that piece of wood over and route the shape the other side and flip it over. So that will take some time.